Good evening, students. Today we are revising lesson number 2, organizing data in Windows 7. So, in this revision, first we will understand that computer is a system and it has a main two types of parts. That is hardware and software. Hardware are what? All the physical parts that we can see and touch. जितने भी parts हम देख सकते हैं, touch कर सकते हैं, they comes in the category of hardware. Some parts are available outside of CPU box and some parts are fixed inside the CPU box. So when we open the box, we can see them like keyboard, mouse, monitor, speakers. We can see them outside of the CPU box. So they are also hardware. But hard disk is fixed inside the CPU box, RAM, ROM, these are fixed inside the CPU box. So these are also comes in the hardware. Now next type of part is a software. What is a software? Softwares are sets of instructions we give to the hardware. As we know that hardwares cannot work themselves. हार्डवेयर आर जस्ट मशीन पार्ट्स, वो खुद वर्क नहीं कर सकते हैं. अगर आप प्रिंटर को रख देंगे, प्रिंटर ऑन कर दें तो प्रिंटर सेल्फ वर्किंग करेगा क्या? यू हैव टू गिव प्रिंट कमांड देन प्रिंटर विल वर्क. तो हमें किसी भी डिवाइस से कुछ काम कराना तो वी हैव टू गिव इंस्ट्रक्शंस टू द डिवाइस एंड वी गिव द instructions in the form of software. Software used to control the working of hardware. With the help of software हम बताते हैं प्रिंटर को प्रिंट करना है या CPU को बताते हैं कि इस फाइल को ओपन करना है, इस फाइल को क्लोज करना है. ओके, every time we use software to give instructions to the hardware. So softwares are very much important. Now we will understand that softwares are also of two types. What are those? System software and application software. As the name is given, system software is used to control the working of whole computer system. System softwares are very important. ये बहुत important होते हैं because with the help of system softwares we manage our computers and laptop. अगर system software properly work नहीं करते हैं तो फिर हम कोई भी सॉफ्टवेयर इजीली कंप्यूटर में और लैपटॉप में यूज़ नहीं कर सकते हैं. एंड इवन चिल्ड्रन मोबाइल में भी ऐसा ही होता है. एंड्रॉयड आपने सुना होगा, एंड्रॉयड इज़ अ टाइप ऑफ ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम. ये क्या है? एक टाइप का सिस्टम सॉफ्टवेयर है. अगर ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम प्रॉपर्ली वर्क नहीं करता तो हम मोबाइल में भी दूसरे सॉफ्टवेयर को प्रॉपर्ली यूज़ नहीं कर सकते हैं. सो ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम इज़ अ सिस्टम सॉफ्टवेयर. नाउ अनदर कैटेगरी इज़ अ एप्लीकेशन सॉफ्टवेयर. व्हाट इज़ द यूज़ ऑफ एप्लीकेशन सॉफ्टवेयर? Application softwares are many. We see various types of application softwares are available for different tasks. बहुत सारे application softwares available हैं. Like paintbrush is for painting. अब now another is a tux paint for painting. MS Word, Notepad, WordPad we use for typing purpose. We use PowerPoint for creating a effective presentations. We use Google Chrome, Opera Mini browsers to see the websites, to explore the internet. We use Windows Explorer to manage our files and folders. तो ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम तो सिंगल ही यूज़ करते हैं, लेकिन एप्लीकेशन सॉफ्टवेयर बहुत सारे होते हैं जो हम अपने कंप्यूटर में, लैपटॉप में, मोबाइल में यूज़ करते हैं. और जैसे जैसे हमको नीड पड़ती है हम उनको इंस्टॉल करते हैं, हम उनको अनइंस्टॉल करते हैं. आई थिंक यू ऑल आर फैमिलियर, यू यूज़ apps and games in mobile. Games क्या हैं? Games are also a type of application software. So we use application software but with the help of operating system, that is a type of system software. So now in this chapter we have to focus on operating system. That what is an operating system? Children, operating system do what? It provide us interface, environment. You have seen the desktop where we can open other programs and we can use them for our work. और with the help of operating system we manage all computer hardwares. हम सबको operating system की help से control करते हैं. I hope you are understanding. Next is there are two types of operating system. Mainly two types के operating system होते हैं. उसमें भी आगे कैटेगरी होती है बट मेनली टू होते हैं. दैट इज़ CUI based and GUI based. CUI means character user interface and GUI means graphical user interface. Children, CUI ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम क्या होते हैं? टेक्स्ट बेस्ड ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम होते हैं. एवरी कमांड वी हैव टू गिव विद द हेल्प ऑफ कीबोर्ड. हमें सब कुछ कीबोर्ड से टाइप करके कमांड देना पड़ता है. वी कैन नॉट यूज माउस लाइक डॉस, यूनिक्स, है ना. और GUI ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम में क्या होते हैं? हम देखते हैं हमारे पास विंडो खुलती है. वी हैव आइकन्स ऑन डेस्कटॉप. वी क्लिक ऑन विंडोज़ मेनू. हम मेनू को क्लिक करते हैं, उसमें से ऑप्शंस को क्लिक करते हैं. तो वी यूज़ माउस टू डू वर्क इन द environment. Okay, so this type of operating system is very simple, easy to handle, and all Windows based operating system are comes in the category of GUI operating system. Now we will understand that what is a Windows operating system. As I told you, ये एक GUI based operating system है. It is also very simple and user friendly. और जितने भी वर्जन्स हैं Windows 95, 97, 7, 8, 10, ये सब क्या है? GUI based operating system. So children, we will now more explore about the Windows 7 operating system. हम इसके बारे में और पढ़ेंगे. First we will discuss the main features of Windows 7 operating system. What is that? Some features are common in all the Windows operating system like desktop. In Windows, the first screen when we start the computer we see is known as a desktop. When you switch on the computer power supply button, the first screen that comes on screen is called the desktop. We see there is a taskbar, start button. Sometimes we see the gadgets also. Notification area is there. Desktop button is there. So these all are the components of desktop. And even we can set a attractive background for our desktop. So whenever we open the computer, mobiles, we can see and we can work in a attractive environment. Next is the icons. Icons are also an important part of desktop. Graphical representation, thumbnail view, छोटी छोटी जो pictures होती हैं that are called the icons. They represents the programs, files and folders. Whenever you want to open any program or file, just double click the icon, that file will be and program will be open to your screen. Next important part is the files and folders. What is a file? All the work we do, whether we are making audio, video, we are typing, doing painting, जितना भी हम work करते हैं, we all the work we do is saved in the form of files. File stores our data, and folders are only used to manage the files and other folders. We stored files and other folders in a folders. Okay, folder can contain other folders. Next important part is a taskbar. It is a long horizontal bar, mostly we see at the bottom of the screen. Even we can shift it to the different edges also. हम top पे भी set कर सकते हैं, left और right पे भी set कर सकते हैं, but mostly we see the taskbar at the bottom of the screen. Now taskbar has some component like we discussed: start button, quick launch area, where we place the important and quickly running icons of programs, notification area, clock, show desktop buttons. These are the components of taskbar. Clock shows the time. Show desktop button is used for arrow peak feature. Notifications area shows the important messages related with our computer. This type of notifications we see in the mobile also. Next is arrow features. In Windows 7 there are some arrow features that help us to manage our windows. Like first is the arrow peak we will study. Arrow peak children feature shows the desktop for time period. आपको अगर अपनी विंडोज़ को विदाउट मिनिमाइज किए हुए अगर आपको डेस्कटॉप स्क्रीन देखना है तो यू जस्ट क्लिक ऑन द शो डेस्कटॉप बटन. it will show you the desktop screen and it will make other window transparent. आप कुछ वर्जन्स में ये विंडो आप देखेंगे कि है ना, विंडोज़ आपको ट्रांसपेरेंट दिखाई देती है, मतलब विंडो को क्लोज नहीं करना है और फिर भी आपको डेस्कटॉप दिखाई देगा. And we use it with the help of show desktop button. Arrow shake. What it do? If we want to close or if we want to minimize all the windows except any one window, so we can use the arrow shake feature. The window you are shaking will be not minimized and rest of the window will be minimized. That we have already discussed earlier. Arrow snap. This feature is used to arrange the windows side by side of the screen, on the screen left side and right side on the screen, and especially it used and useful for comparing two files or to copy file from one location to another location. Next topic that we have to discuss is a file extension. Every file children we stored on computer has a suffix at the end of the file name that shows कि it is a which type of file है ना, format like .gif, .html, .xls, etc. These are automatically attached by the software when we save a file in the software. Like suppose I have created a one paintbrush file or I have saved the file with the name flower. I saved with the file with the name only flower, but what computer do, it save the file with the flower.bmp. bmp पेंट ब्रश के लिए यूज़ होता है, तो वो हमारी फाइल्स को एक्सटेंशन के साथ सेव करता है. सो कंप्यूटर एंड सो ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम कैन इजीली मैनेज दीज फाइल्स ऑन आवर कंप्यूटर. इंटरनली कंप्यूटर के लिए बहुत हेल्पफुल होती हैं फाइल्स को मैनेज करने के लिए. ओके, next topic that we have to discuss is the libraries. What is the libraries? What is the use of libraries? As we know that we store lots of files on our computer of various software. Some are of Word files, some are PowerPoint files, paintbrush files are there, music files भी होती हैं, games होते हैं, and video files भी होती हैं, pictures we store. So lots of files of different software we store on our computer. Now if we have to find any file, we have to see the whole computer drives and folders to find any file. But in Windows 7 we have facilities of libraries. Library do what? It help us to organize same type of files stored in a different location, है ना. फाइल्स भले डिफरेंट लोकेशंस पे हो, लेकिन हम इसको उन फाइल्स को लाइब्रेरीज की हेल्प से मैनेज कर सकते हैं. वी कैन व्यू देम, है ना, इजीली. एंड लाइब्रेरी मोस्टली हैज़ ए डिफ़ॉल्ट 4 फोल्डर्स होते हैं, लाइक डॉक्यूमेंट फोल्डर्स यूज फॉर showing and storing all types of text files, music file shows us sound files, mp3 files, pictures file stores all types of images, video file shows all types of videos. चिल्ड्रन, इन फोल्डर्स में फाइल लोकेटेड नहीं होती है, ये केवल फाइल्स को शो करता है दैट आर लोकेटेड ऑन अ डिफरेंट लोकेशंस. लेकिन व्हाट इज़ द बेनिफिट? सपोज माय वीडियो फाइल्स आर लोकेटेड इन वेरियस ड्राइव्स और वेरियस फोल्डर्स. अब मुझे अगर किसी फाइल को सर्च करना तो आई हैव टू सी वेरियस ड्राइव्स एंड वेरियस फोल्डर. लेकिन अगर मेरे पास लाइब्रेरी ऑप्शन है तो मैं लाइब्रेरी को क्लिक करूँगी, वीडियोज़ फोल्डर को ओपन करूँगी तो मुझे वो सारे वीडियो जो मेरे कंप्यूटर में यहीं दिख जाएंगे. सो आई कैन फाइंड आउट दैट विच वीडियो आई नीड. सो इट इज़ जस्ट हेल्प अस टू ऑर्गेनाइज द फाइल्स एंड फोल्डर्स, बट ओरिजिनली फाइल स्टोर्ड एट अ डिफरेंट लोकेशंस. Now comes Windows Explorer. To manage our files and folder, we use most famous software, that is a Windows Explorer in Windows operating system. And how can we open it? Either you right click on the start button or you will get the option ki open Windows Explorer. You click on it. Also a simple shortcut method is that press Windows key plus E on your keyboard. So Windows Explorer will open in front of our screen. Next is, as you open Windows Explorer to manage files and folders, what type of work you can do? We can do create files, we can delete files, we can rename files and folders, we can copy files and folders, we can move files and folders. So first we will understand that how can we open a file or folder in Windows Explorer. First of all, open Windows Explorer, and as you know, Windows Explorer has two parts. Left part shows drive names and folders, and right part shows the content of that selected drive or folder. So first we go to the left side of Windows Explorer, we will select the folder where the file is located, and then when you open the select that folder, go to the right side and just double click the file to open it. File will be open to your screen. You can open the double click you can open the folder also. So this way we can open our file and folder and we can do our work. Sometimes we have to create a new files and folders. In that case, will go to the Windows Explorer. Same, we will go to any drive or folder where we want our new file or folder. Then we will come to the right side. In a blank area, we will right click. We will see there is a new option. In new options, we see there are various sub options are given. Suppose if we have to create a folder, so simply click on the folder option. New folder will be created in that area. Or if you want to open any file of any software like Paintbrush, Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, so simply click on that and then file or folder will be click on that file will be created in that location. और then simply हमें उसको new name देना है और press enter और click outside of the text box, so the file will or folder will be saved with the new name. File will be blank. आप उसको open करके you can do your work. How to copy a file? Copy का meaning होता है to create a duplicate copy of any file and folder. Okay, so if you want a duplicate copy of any file or folder, you will use copy option. For doing this, we will open the Windows Explorer. We will go to the folder where file is located or folder is located. Then simply we will right click on it and we will choose the option copy. After that, we will go to the new location where we want to that duplicate copy of file or folder. फिर हम right click करेंगे and we will simply choose the paste option. The file or folder you selected earlier copy will be created at the new location. Please remember, copy means creating a duplicate copy of file and folder. Next is moving a file or folder. Move का meaning होता है to shift or to change the location of the file or folder. We are moving one file or folder from one location to another location. In that case, there will be file or folder will be removed from previous location or it will be only available to the new location. इसमें duplicate copy create नहीं होगी. So what we have to do? Same process like a copy. First we open the Windows Explorer. We will go to the folder where file is located. We will right click on the file or folder. This time we will select the cut option and then we will go to the new location and we will right click and click on select the paste option and that file or folder will be moved to the new location. Children, paste option used with copy command also and paste option is used with the cut command also. Once the file is created and you are using that file or folder, sometimes you need to change its name, that is called the rename. So for renaming a file or folder, what we will do? We will open the Windows Explorer. We will go to the folder where file is located. Then we will right click on the file or folder and we will see there is a rename option. हम rename option पे click करेंगे. Then name में टेक्स्ट बॉक्स ओपन हो जाएगा. यू सिंपली इरेज द प्रीवियस नेम और टाइप द न्यू नेम and then press enter key or click outside of the text box. Then file will be renamed with the new name. Now we will see there are two other methods also for copy, like shortcut methods and drag and drop methods. Shortcut method में क्या करेंगे? We use keyboard keys like Control plus C we use for copy command. Control plus X we use for move command. Control plus we use for the paste command. Okay. And another method is a drag and drop method. In that method, what you do, you have to open two folders on your screen. Click on the file or folder and then drag it to the another destination folder and drop the file, means leave the mouse button. When you will do this process, that will copy the method, that will copy the file. Children, earlier versions में क्या होता था, we have to use control की, लेकिन Windows 7 में हम simply अगर drag और drop भी करेंगे तो it will create a copy of file and folder. So now chapter is over, revision is over. Thank you.